Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at GBP JPY. So what's the difference between this and gold? There's really only one difference, and that's the fact that GBP JPY or GBP pairs in general respect trend lines. Okay, gold does not. So hourly we have a trend line here, and we also have support on a former resistance here. Okay, so at this point we would be going on to the 15-minute or 5-minute to look for a perfect buy opportunity. We know that we're looking for buying moves because we're on that trend and we're also on that support. So we would look for a perfect buying opportunity. Obviously nothing really happened there, but market had ended up closing. Okay, but just want to show you a quick example of what I mean. Now, let's go through and see if we can find some opportunities here on GBP JPY. So right here, we have market structure being broken to the downside. Okay, we also have a rejection in that zone. Never broke through that zone. Not only that, we can also see we're also near a resistance level that used to be support. So we could have had our position set just like this, just above that resistance area, and take profit set at least to the third take profit on our Fibonacci. So 163 gain, 50 pip loss, GBP JPY, beautiful setup, boom. Okay, now let's go back and look for some more. And yeah guys, it's seriously that simple. I know I keep saying it, but it's literally that simple. Okay, market structure being broken to the upside right here. Oops. Look at that. Rejections in our zone. Moving average crossover. Got our take profit set to there. Stop loss below. And look at this. Support on some former resistance. Shot up for almost 93 pips. Beautiful setup. Beautiful setup. Let's keep looking at some more. If you guys backtest the hell out of this, you're going to get so familiar with what these setups look like. It's going to be ridiculous for you. Just ridiculous. Let's go take a look. Market structure being broke to the upside. Okay. We would have had our first set of rejections there. More rejections near our zone there. Moving average crossover right there as well. Would have had our take profit. I mean, most likely set to like that area. But like I said, you're going to keep letting it run and stop loss to break even and keep moving your stop losses. Okay. Stop loss we're always going to have set below the 764 more than likely. Okay. Boom. Entered here. We would have been in about 11 pip drawdown, but then boom, shot up for 46 pips with a 14 pip stop loss. Beautiful. It's just beautiful, guys. It's ridiculous. It is literally so ridiculous. Look at this. Market structure being broken to the downside. Look at that rejection in that zone. Look at the MA crossover right there. What do you know? Huge drop. Guys, it's so goddamn easy. Practice. Back test. No excuses. Always look at the bigger picture. Great things are coming for you guys. This shit is crazy easy. I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at this. We see some support here on the 15-minute. Not only that, but do we have a test? Do we have a Fibonacci test? Let's draw it and find out. No, we don't. It got close, though, but it didn't hit it. Oh, I sound down there. Pot! Look at this, though. Market structure broken to the upside. Look at that. Rejections. Rejections. We entered here. Stop loss just below that 764. Shoot for our final take profit. Look at that. Very, very little drawback on these setups. Huge take profits. 64 take profit hit. or 12 pip stop loss. I mean, look at this trade. You can lose 6 of these and then win 2, and you're up big. At least break even. I mean, come on, dude. It's very simple stuff. Okay? I want you guys to back test this. It's the same thing as gold. Same thing as gold. And as long as you know where the market is heading, you look for these opportunities, you're going to be living good. And I know that this isn't one. But, oh, if it would have spiked right there and you see the moving crossover right there, oh, that would have been nasty. Just disgusting. We have some support here. We got some support here. Run our Fibonacci, see what we find. Look at that. Rejections in our zone off of some support. Could have entered here. Max take profit. Stop loss, we could even done it below that support just in case. 20 pip stop loss for a 50 pip gain. Boom. Guys, it's simple. It's easy. It's effective. I love it. It's the funnest way to make money. Is this shit right here. Study it. Watch this video. Watch how I backtest. You backtest. You practice. And watch what happens. I'm going to show you guys one more example. Let's see some setups here. Okay. Little setup right here, I see. Market structure being broke to the upside. Boop. Look at the rejections in that zone. You have your market or your moving average crossover down in here. You see it rejecting that bearish moving average. What happens after that? What happens? Final take profit hit. 6 pip stop loss for a 34 pip gain. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? I mean, that's a 1-to-5 ratio. That's insane. You can lose 5 times in a row with 1 win and you're broke even. Get real, man. Nobody's teaching you shit like this. Nobody's teaching you shit this simple, but this effective. Forex really is that simple. Support. Look at this push. Look at the rejection here. Look at the rejection. Look at the crossover right there. You could have went long right there. Final take profit targeted 31 pips. Stop loss below the 764. 11 pips stop loss. 31 pip gain. Get real. Get real. If you guys study this, backtest this, and demo this for a week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, a month, just straight backtesting and demoing this, your life is going to change. But you got to dedicate yourself and you got to be ready for this shit. It's going to hit you like a brick if you're not ready for this once you get to a live account. Look at this, man. It's that easy. I want to see you guys succeed. Show me what you got.